Hello children, welcome to the computer session. Today we will again discuss about keyboard typing. See, you can see here one sentence written. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Children, it is a phrase. It contains all the letters of the English alphabet. You can see it properly, observe it from A to Z. All the words including here. So, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You have to type this sentence again and again in your keyboard so you can practice. With the help of your parents, you can make a word file in computer with your name, class, division, write, rename and write, make a word file where you can type this. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog again and again in one page. So you can get all the alphabetical keys. So again I will remind you from which you will type T. Let's start from the beginning. The T-H-E, the T. From which finger you will write T? It will be written by right hands. No, left hands pointing finger. You can see in the picture T. Then H, right hands pointing finger. E, from where we will type E? We will type E from middle finger of left hand. हो गया the. Now quick, Q-U-I-C-K. From where we will type Q? Q will type by left hand's last finger. U will type by pointing finger of right hand. I will type by middle finger of right hand. C will typed by, where is C? In which finger C is there? C is typed by pointing finger of left hand. And K will typed by the middle finger of right hand. So quick, like the way you have to type this sentence. See these two pictures. Put the two pictures in front of you. From the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I will send the pictures, put both pictures and then practice. This is the work of your this week. Two more keys. I will talk about two more keys. That is backspace key and moving around the page, the moving keys. Backspace key, if by mistake you have typed a wrong character, number, letter or symbol, just press the backspace key. Thus the character behind the cursor will be deleted and the cursor will move one space back. So this is the backspace key, and then you can search in the keyboard where is backspace key, moving around the page. If you have observed a mistake after typing a lot, do not worry. Just move the cursor to that place and make the correction. To move the page, you can use the cursor movement keys as follows. This key is for to move right, to move left, to move up and to move down. So this way you can move the cursor in the next line, right and left side, up and down side. Both keys you can practice. Delete options are there. You can delete the things which you don't want. So before see this video, you sit with your keyboard. If old keyboard is there, very good, you can type it, practice it. Otherwise your finger will not move. If your finger will not move, in afterward you will lazy to typing. So move your fingers on keyboard and practice the same key which I shown in your picture. Okay, I will ask in the next online class, I will ask one by one which alphabet is belong from which finger. Till then, bye, practice.